Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video, as you could tell by the title, is some cleaning motivation as well as some packing because I have to move out by the end of the month and that will quickly go by. So the next few weeks you guys are just gonna see me clean my apartment, deep clean, declutter, all that good stuff, what you have to do before you move out. I'm stressed beyond belief, but it's okay, we're gonna get this done. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give me a like, subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff. So let me stop talking and get into this video.
He comes around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit closer. Yeah, come a little bit closer. Yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. You're a little bit selfish. You get mad every time you lose. You can't take me with you. I'm scared you're gonna blow your fuse. Come a little bit closer. Yeah, I can really start over. Yeah, in the back of my mind, there's someone waiting on me. You're just wasting my time because you're scared and lonely. Finally got some closure. Yeah, I can finally start over. Yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Here's to the memories. Cheers to who used to be. Your friend said that you left me. I'm glad that's what you believe. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Oh, bye-bye, bye-bye. U-G-L-I, that's how you spell goodbye. U-G-L-I, you'll never see me cry. U-G-L-I, that's how you spell it. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye.
Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Cards on the table, your turn to play. We can't turn back now. We know how this will go. It's so sad that I'm leaving. I just don't see no other way. And it seems like you feel the same. Could have had everything, but you had to go and mess it all up. Whatever you want me to do, yeah, you know that I won't do that. When you're saying those things to me, keep on making me misbehave. I don't want you. When you're making me feel this way, like I'm the one to blame. Nah, bringing it all up.
So guys, I am curious, what room takes forever to clean for you guys? Because my room is the kitchen. It's not a room, is it? But anyways, the kitchen takes me forever to clean. I always have to do dishes no matter what. You can see here I'm doing the dishes twice in just a few seconds and it's just a hot mess. So what room or area is always being cleaned and how long does it take you to clean it?
When you're saying those things to me, keep on making me misbehave. I don't want you. When you're making me feel this way, like I'm the one to blame. Nah, yeah, yeah. Saying bad things to me, saying bad things to me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. that I'm right and you were wrong this time. Yeah. Or maybe just leave me alone. Could've had everything, but you had to go and mess it all up. Whatever you want me to do, you know that I won't do that. When you're saying those things to me, keep on making.
Okay, so this part of the video, I'm not going to do like intense cleaning, but I am just going to clean up a few things, throw away a lot of things, including my DIYs. I know, guys, it's horrible, hot mess. I don't know why. I just don't have nowhere to store it after this move because I don't have a place to go, but it's okay. I have my mama. Anyways, guys, this portion of the video is just me packing, and you guys will see a lot of videos of me packing, deep cleaning, and all that good stuff, like I said in the beginning. So get used to it because this is gonna be a lot of packing, motivation, cleaning, de-cleaning, all that good stuff. Like I keep saying good stuff, you know what I mean? It's not really good stuff because nobody wants to be cleaning.
I need a girl that can ride for me. Wanna lock down and shine with me. Don't you know you don't have to try with me. Gonna let go, yeah. I'm gonna let go, gonna give you control, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Take your time, go slow with me. I want somebody to grow with me. Don't you know, ain't nobody stopping us. Gonna let go, yeah. I'm gonna let go, gonna give you control, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah.
This is all that I have done, only 3 boxes. I am done. You guys, I am going to just leave it here. You guys are gonna see me pack throughout this whole process of moving. I just have so much to do in just so little time. I don't know why I do this to myself. I still got all this to go through. Oh Lord, I'm gonna throw everything away. I have this to go through. I have my cabinets. It was so dark in there. Anyways, you guys get the point. But I'm gonna go through all this, clean, declutter, all that good stuff. Oh gosh.
Around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit closer. Yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer. Yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man